Hi, hello, namaste, and warm welcome to my Abhyas. I am Rajeshwari, mathematics teacher. So I'm going to start this session with a simple quote that is plan your work and work your plan. Okay, just make a note of this. It's very important. Being a 10th standard student, you have to first plan your work and you have to work out on that plan. Fine. So very interesting, right? Will you plan properly? Your 10th standard, so which is the first turning point of your life. Plan it accordingly. Start studying seriously, and wish you a very good luck. Let us start our class. Fine. So I'm going to start the chapter arithmetic progression. Fine. So before going to define or learn more about arithmetic progression, so let us recall some of the important terms which we have learned already in our previous classes. Okay. So let us not worry about this chapter. Okay. What is it exactly? Everything we are going to learn, of course. So before going to that, let us going to recall some of the important terms which we require for this session. Now, the first of all, we see so many objects which has got beautiful patterns in our life. Yes, no. So without patterns, nothing is very beautiful in our life. So, for example, the dresses what we wear and the bed sheets or the rangoli designs. So many objects will have got patterns. Yes, for example, you can take one more maize. The grains of maize. How are they arranged? Yes, from small to big. You all like to eat maize, right? Yes, how are they arranged? Like this shape? Some pattern is maintained. Huh. Similarly, in the honeycomb, in the holes of the honeycomb. So what is the shape? Yes, it is hexagonal. Hexagonal shape. Yes, no? So this is also a pattern which we come across in our life. So how beautifully the honeybee has will build a comb. Yes, by using the hexagonal shape, of course. Fine, no? So very interesting pattern, right? Not only this, even the tiling pattern. Yes, no? So beautiful patterns, the arrangements of circles, triangles and squares or the rectangles. So all these patterns or geometrical patterns, or in some extent, in some classes you have learned even the alphabets. Yes, no? So like capital N, I'll write. Next, I'll just reverse it. Means like this, or rotation like this, Z. Next, N. So what will be the next number? Next pattern. Again, it is Z only. So like this, we see so many patterns, so many designs, along with the numbers or the geometrical patterns. So even numbers also we would have seen here. So let us take the examples of 2, followed by 4, followed by 6, 8, etc. and so on. So this is also following some pattern. So we are going to learn. So what is this pattern? We call it in class 10. So we call it as sequence. Okay. So it is following some order. So an orderly arrangement of numbers or any design is called as a sequence. So let us maintain a beautiful notes or a very systematic notes by using this my Abhyas. So can you just prepare with your pen and paper and start writing down the notes. The first point is sequence. Okay. An orderly arrangement. Write on this. An orderly arrangement of numbers. So I am mentioning here numbers because we are going to deal with the numbers. So these are some of the examples which we come across in our life, I said. Okay. So we are going to deal with the numbers only. So you can just write the definition of a sequence as an orderly arrangement of numbers is called as a sequence. Okay. So generally, the word sequence means some order, is no? So sequential order. Write down in sequential order. This word you have heard, you have aware of it. So many things, terms like sequence you have heard, like you know about it. So let us go through a few more examples. Fine. So we can give any examples of the numbers. So we can play with the numbers, of course. You have learned about the magic squares. So many examples, you know. So let us take one by one and just discuss more about the sequences. So I'll just written the last example wherein I have written, yes, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what does it mean? So what type of numbers are they? Yes, they are even numbers. So it is following some rule. Now let us take an example. Say it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Here also some pattern it is maintaining. Yes, some sequential order. Okay. Now let us take the third example here. Here. So in the first round test, maybe you think of your previous year, that is 9th standards, you would have got 7 out of 10. Yes. So you are a very challenging and very good student. You are improved, means your progress is there. So in the next test, you would have got 8 out of 10. So the next test, you may get 9 out of 10. So here also you are maintaining some pattern you are maintaining. Yes, no? Okay, so okay, next go for the next one, next example. And here even at so many houses, like since you are studying in 10th standard, your parents would like to teach you savings of amount, yes, no? So they may give you some amount, means when I say example 50 rupees in the first month. The second month you'll be getting again 50 rupees, means how much will be total? It is 50 plus 50, it will be 100 rupees. Yes. And in the third month, you'll get one more 50 rupees, that is 50 plus 50 plus 50. So which is again, it is totally 150. Okay. So what do you do at the end? After collecting so much of amount, after a few months, what do? So you'll give back to your parents only, right? Okay, fine. So here also you're maintaining some pattern here. So all these are the examples for sequences. Hope you have understood what is a sequence. Now this sequence we are going to relate with the arithmetic progression. So what is the arithmetic progression? Yes. So here arithmetic. So what is the meaning of arithmetic in mathematics? Yes, we come across this. It's a branch of mathematics, of course. Arithmetic is a branch of mathematics, is a part of mathematics, of course. So which deals with the calculations of basic operations. Yes, no? So arithmetic means calculations, progression. So what is the meaning of progression? So you're turning the dictionary. Check it out. What is the meaning of progression? Yes, the word progress or the progression means it is growing or moving on. Yes. Progression means it is moving on. This is a dictionary meaning I am giving you. Moving on or grow. So here also in arithmetic progression also the numbers keeps moving. It may be forward or the backward. Some order is maintained. So let us see what order this arithmetic progression maintains and what are the terminologies we use in the chapter arithmetic progression. The first and the foremost is we have to take the example.